In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up two-factor authentication on Booking.com. Two-factor authentication, or 2FA, adds a second lock to your account. Even if someone guesses your password, they can't get in without a one-time code that only you can access. Booking.com encourages both travelers and hosts to turn this on to reduce the risk of hacks and phishing. Start by opening the Booking.com website or app and signing in. Once you're in, head to your profile or account area. The exact wording can vary, but you're looking for a section called Security, Privacy, and Security, or Account Settings. Booking.com doesn't always show a big, dedicated 2FA switch like some services do, so think of this as part of your overall security settings. Inside that security section, look for two-factor authentication, two-step verification, or something like Enable Extra Security. When you find it, select it to begin. Now choose the verification method that works best for you. If you prefer using an authenticator app, such as Google Authenticator or Microsoft Authenticator, make sure the app is installed on your phone first. Booking.com will display a QR code or a setup key. Scan or enter it in your Authenticator app, and the app will start generating time-based codes. Type the current code into Booking.com when prompted to confirm the link. If SMS is offered in your region, you can receive a code by text message. Confirm that your phone number is correct and accessible, then request the code. When the text arrives, enter the digits on Booking.com to validate the setup. Keep in mind that reliable cell coverage is important, especially when traveling. In some locations, Booking.com may use email as the second step. If that's what you see, make sure you have access to your inbox on the same device. Ask for the verification email, copy the code, and paste it back into the setup screen. If it doesn't show up right away, check your spam or junk folder. Follow the on-screen prompts until you reach the confirmation step. Booking.com will usually ask you to enter a test code to verify everything works. Once confirmed, your account is protected with an extra layer. From now on, when you sign in, you'll enter your password and then the one-time code from the method you chose. Keep your phone and email details up to date. Don't share codes with anyone, and you're all set.